This is Movie World in Planet Coaster, where over the past month I've been on a mission. What started as a simple request to add the Flash Speed Force to Superman Escape has now snowballed into this full remodel of both rides. And after 9 episodes, we wrapped it up with a bang, and it's time to show you everything. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's take a special look at what we've built. First up, we have the story. Every great ride needs one, right? And since this is Australia's first ride within a ride, we've got a story within a story. Picture this, you're in Metropolis stepping into the Speed Force itself. Ride with Superman or the Flash and you get 2 totally different vibes from the city frozen in time. And at the heart of it, a massive crater now hides the whole area from view. You only see it on the rides with killer photo opportunities like a relocated Doomsday reaching out to grab you. It's thrilling if you ride, but even if you're just munching on an ice cream by the fountain, it still looks epic. Now let's take a look at Superman Escape. You kick off at a shiny new MRT station where a custom news report teases guests that they should have upgraded to Priority Pass. You hop on a train and the first tunnel scene is the same as always, until you catch a glimpse of Superman himself around the corner where the old locker area used to be. This is now transformed into a train tunnel. In real life, this could be screens or even have an animatronic Superman stopping the train just in time to save him. The flooded stations are next, upgraded with the city looming above with a sinkhole opened up right under the tracks. Then, the main tunnel collapse. You're under a whole street with cars and a helicopter creating total chaos wherever you look. The launch sequence cranks it up, with custom screens showing walls cracking, pipes bursting, and then Superman lands behind you. But once the tunnel starts collapsing, you're shot forwards and up the first hill, and this is only the first part. After the first drop, the Speed Force kicks in. Lightning flashes and you see the Flash and Reverse Flash speeding past, creating this crazy lighting effect. That's when Doomsday shows up, suspended on a building reaching over the tracks, creating Australia's own Yeti. You then zip through a collapsing construction site, smash into the side of a building, loop back under Doomsday, past some rocks and a car stuck in midair. You then roll back into the station, creating an intense ride with some near misses. Now let's flip to the Flash. This one's up close and personal with the queue packed with cars and rubble hanging above. And as you walk under them, Superman's gonna fly past you, staring right at you the whole time. Freaky, huh? I hit the outside of the park to keep that Speed Force vibe locked in. And honestly, I love how it turned out. Both rides connect Superman and the Flash playing off each other in this shared story. It's something Movie World could totally build. So what do you reckon? Do you think Movie World could build something like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, as I'd love to hear what you have to say. Stick around for what's next, but until then, have an awesome day and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.